Mr. Burlett, please state your name for the record.
Zachary Thomas Burlett.
Thank you.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Burlett is before the court for a review hearing.
With his hat on, but that's okay.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, Mr. Burlett, I do not consider him in compliance status. He owes a balance of $12.75. His last payment to the court was on November 3rd, making a $50 payment. Mr. Burlett's been on probation for quite some time now. He has completed the domestic violence program, but where I was concerned with Mr. Burlett is I made contact with Home and Vision. He is not compliant with his substance abuse treatment. He last attended with Home and New Vision on December 15th. I did have a conversation with Mr. Burlett this morning. Mr. Burlett is quite aware of my concerns about his non-compliance, especially with his substance abuse treatment. At this time, I would ask the court set a violation of probation hearing for March 9th at 1 p.m. I would ask that Mr. Burlett pay $255 today, then $255 per month thereafter. I took the remaining amount that he owes and I divided it up with the remaining time that he has. I also would ask that Mr. Burlett report to me in person tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., that he report to community corrections by 9 a.m. tomorrow prior to his report with me to submit to a drug screen, and that he become compliant with all terms prior to the scheduled violation hearing or face possible sanctions, which could include revocation of his probation and or jail time.
Burlett, anything you want to say?
Yes, Your Honor. First and most, I definitely need to be held accountable for not being responsible for things that I'm supposed to be doing. And I did break down briefly with Miss Agent Polera on what was going on with everything that's going on right now. She has told me to come in tomorrow morning to sit down, have a brief discussion with her of what's going on, get into more details, and, you know, come up with a game plan on how we can move forward from here, or how I can move forward from here, and get myself and everything back together.
I'll set a violation of probation hearing for March 9, 2026, 1 p.m. That will be an in-person hearing.
Yes, sir.
You're to pay $255 on her before, well, today. You're to pay $255. You're then to pay $255 per month thereafter. I'm going to order that you report to probation tomorrow at 9:30. That will be an in-person reporting. You are prior to that at 9 a.m. to report to community corrections to submit to a drug screen. Sir, I'm going to ask you this. Am I going to see anything that's alarming to me on that drug screen?
I am going to drop for marijuana.
Which you're not supposed to be using. You have a card?
I do not.
You're to become compliant with all terms prior to the violation of probation hearing on March 9th. Or face possible sanctions, which could include the revocation of your probation and jail time. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of People versus William Fridge.